Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will learn how to create a simple Chrome extension from scratch. The task is to create an extension that will display random quotes. You only need basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to start building your first Chrome extension. Now create a new folder and open it in the VS Code editor or any editor you prefer to use. Let's create a new file named Manifest.json in it. This file is a special file. It contains information about the Chrome extension. It is a json-type file. It must mandatorily contain the manifest version, the name of the extension, the version of the extension, Now in the Mainfest.json add the action object and in that add a HTML file and the image as the icon. I am going to drag the image to the Xcode folder. Now create the HTML file we mentioned on the Mainfest.json file. It will be a simple HTML file. We will add the p tag and under that p tag give a ID name as my quotes. In that part we will show the quotes fetched from the API. Now create a JavaScript file and add the script tag in the HTML file. In the JavaScript file we will fetch the data from the quotable.io API to fetch the quotes randomly. So basically in window add event listener we are calling getQuotes function whenever it loads. Now create the getQuotes function and fetch the data from the quotable.io API using async and await function. Now we need to have the access of the ID that we specified in the HTML page. So we will use the document.querySelector and add the ID name here. Now add the CSS file if you want to style it a bit, but then again it's option as we are creating our first Chrome extension. Here I am styling it a bit. Trying our extension. Now go to your Chrome browser and type chrome//extensions. Turn the developer mode on by toggling the switch. Click on the Load Unpacked button. Select the folder where you have made the extension. That's it. Your extension should now be visible on the page. If you click on the puzzle icon in the corner, our extension should be visible. That's it. We just created a basic Chrome extension. Congrats! Thank you for watching this with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Good luck everyone.